Today, we're making fake stained glass.
Some assembly required.
Hello and welcome. Today, we have a pretty fun project for you. So last week, we were making little sun catchers for your window with packing tape and flowers. And so while I was doing that, I was like, what if we had tissue paper and we could make sort of a stained glass with the packing tape? I was like, oh, cool, awesome. So I came downstairs to look for the tissue paper. I don't know where it went. So we had to maybe be a little bit creative. And so instead of tissue paper, we are using coffee filters.
That we colored up.
That we have colored
put water.
And wet and made them exciting. So feel free to use tissue paper, or you can use some cool paper that you make yourself or design yourself. Whatever.
I used like a spray bottle.
And I used a paintbrush with water in it. You could also do like watercolors. I mean, you can do a lot of things with these. So here's what we'll be using. We'll be using this kind of paper, which is, coffee filters with color. You can use tissue paper. You could use crepe paper. Some kind of paper that's like a little bit see-through. Some translucent qualities. Scissors and packing tape.
And a window.
You're probably going to need a window. So I'm not sure which we will like better, if we will like string and then hang it in the window, or just put a little piece of tape at the top, stick it on the window. Maybe we can add string later. I think we'll just make them and then stick them on the window and see how it goes.
Are you going to try to make like a certain shape with all of the shapes?
You could make it so that it's kind of a scene, I guess. But what I was thinking is just sort of cutting out shapes and putting them kind of near each other and making it look cool. That's really all. So let's get ourselves all set up, and then we'll show you how we're going to do it. So we've laid out all of our different color options, just so you can kind of see what's going on. I think it might be smartest to cut the pieces and kind of try to fit them together, then transfer them onto our tape, because it seems like it'll work. Mm-hmm. You can always just cut it and slap it right on top of the tape, but I think we'll try it this way. So I'm going to try to go with just very simple shapes. I'm thinking triangles might fit together nicely. I don't know. I have no idea what this is going to look like. It's all up here. None of it is out here yet. We will see.
I'm just going to cut out random shapes.
There's a million ways to do it, so we will try some different things, see what works. Okay, let's see how it goes. So I have some triangles that I kind of fit together with some spaces in between. I'm going to see what that looks like. Lily has more organic shapes, which I think will be cool. And then we also said, well, what if they overlap a little bit? That might be cool. We'll have to try that next. When you're ready, I feel like there are two ways to do it. One is you could just take the tape and stick it right on top of what you've made. So maybe I'll try that one time. And then one is you can make yourself a little canvas with the sticky side facing up and then place your pieces. I'm going to try sticking it down first.
And I'll try sticking them.
And then you can sort of put it on the thing. Because I already put them right where I want them. So why not give it a try? You got to make sure your table is clean for that one. I'll let you know if that's a terrible idea. It's neat. It's even neater from here because the lights are behind it, so it looks really cool. So that works. Maybe I'll stick them this way. It'll be like weaving. I've caught you. So that totally works. Now we'll try it the other way as well, and then maybe I'll cover this first so I don't accidentally put my elbow in it. So we have our lovely tape layer down here, and then just setting up our paper the way that it looks awesome. One by one. I think both ways work. It depends on what you like. Can we talk about how awesome this is? It's so pretty. I love it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So for the next one, I'm going to try overlapping mine. I guess I'll still do it with triangles, just so that you can compare not overlapped with overlapped, because scientific method. So if you have any air bubbles and they're bothering you, you can just take a needle or pin or something, give them a little poke in the corner, and then get the air out. So when I thought of these, I was like, okay, these are gonna be kind of fun and cute stuff, but they're so cool!
Yeah.
They're so much cooler than I thought in my head.
I cut out one of each color, and then now it looks like a pile of rocks.
Rainbow rocks, the best kind.
Mm-hmm.
This is what they look like not overlapping, and this is what they look like overlapping. I mean, they're cool either way. They're like mind-blowingly fascinating.
I like the not overlapping better.
I like the not overlapping, but the overlapping doesn't bother me either. It's
really cool.
It's cool because you can kind of see through them a little bit.
You
I mean, it's cooler with a light behind it, which it is for us and not so much for you. We'll have to take some nice pictures. I feel like I say that every time. So these are awesome, and I totally recommend that you try them. I think that the variation in color makes them even cooler. So this is cooler than if it was just tissue paper. So thanks for disappearing, tissue paper, wherever you are. Worked out. That was awesome. If you found it awesome as well, feel free to give us a thumbs up because you like the video. If you haven't subscribed yet and you would like to, you can do that right underneath. And while you're at it, you can click the notification bell so that you hear every single time we make a new video, because the videos come out on Tuesdays
and Saturdays.
Absolutely. And so you wouldn't want to miss any because they are a full range of awesomeness. So thank you for watching. This was super duper fun, and I want to make them for all of our windows, but you know, one step at a time. Until the next video, we will be here thinking of awesome new things to do and make and show you. So until then, we'll see you later. Till the next video. Bye.